Hey guys, got some chicken quesadillas coming up. It is super hot out here today. It's about, right now it's about 6 o'clock, but the heat's about 93, heat index about 104. So you know that griddle is going to be hot today. So let's get this going. Chicken quesadillas. First two we got going on, which I'm videoing. We have we're going to put some tomatoes on the one and jalapenos and tomatoes on the second one. We'll cut them up, see how they look. But chicken quesadillas, if you got 10 minutes to make some dinner, that's what you got. So nice and easy. We'll see you in a minute. Here comes the intro. Hey guys, we're just going to do some super simple, easy, quick chicken quesadillas. So, starting off with some chicken. Salt and pepper. This is the Kirkland Himalayan pink salt. You see it on the video. You see in the description where you can get it. So first I'm going to do some chicken here. This is just, was it Purdue breast tenderloins? I don't think I squirted any oil down. Oil it up. Right now I got it on high heat. Everybody's hungry. I want to eat pretty soon. It is hot. What I want to do is I'll turn these right two off. I want somewhere to put the chicken once it's done. Yeah, you can see how quick these guys are cooking. There's two there. Yep. So, if you've done chicken on the griddle before, you know how quick it goes. So now I'm going to start cutting it up because we don't want these big pieces in the quesadillas. As you cut them up smaller, they're going to cook quicker. I didn't think I bought that much chicken, but as I'm going through it now, I'm like, it's gonna take me all night cutting through these guys. So I'm just cutting basically into little cubes. chicken quesadilla. So I'm using my scraper to cut these guys up a little bit. Probably have the heat too high. I feel like I'm in a race. Once I get them all cut up, I'm going to flip them around a little bit, kind of move them up, throw a little more salt and pepper on there. You see they're getting easier to cut as they cook. I don't want to dry them out though, so that's why I put the right two burners on. Right two burners are off right now. Man, you can feel the heat coming up. Let's see what the temp's at. We're at 367, 365, 370. Some more salt. Some more pepper. Man, I could eat this chicken just how it is. I'm gonna turn these down a little bit. Hey, get away. Dogs are wrecking all my tripod stuff going on. All right, so these guys are done. Let me get rid of this stuff. Now we got these guys heating up a little bit. A little chicken on here. That's a little bit too much. So what you're trying to do is put them on the 1/2. You see one has more than the other. And we got some just regular Mexican or taco cheese. Put that on the whole thing. And as far as these go, these two right here, my daughter wants some jalapenos on hers. And some tomatoes. My wife wants just tomatoes. These chickens, trying to keep them moist over here. So once we see the cheese start melting on here, we can fold it over. We need some more cheese. Cheese is starting to melt. Let this go a minute. Got my homeowner beer. I'm gonna flip it. Yep, half of it fell out. Just stuff it back in there. I don't know if that's gonna work. All right, whatever fell out, I'm just gonna steal for the next one. All right, so now we just need a plate. Now we just need a plate. Then we'll cut these up and see how they look. All right, let's see how these guys go. This is the one with just the tomato. They're crispy. And I'm about to cut my fingers off. They're too tall for this pizza cutter. Well, you can't really see. Let's grab a plate. This is like my magical plate. Oh, no plate. Oh, we're going fancy plates. Going fancy. Fancy. Look at that. Who's got you? Look at that. So these ones are chicken, tomato, and Mexican cheese. A little bit of sour cream on there. Let's grab a second plate for the one with the peppers on it. There's peppers all over the place. Ooh, I can smell them. Same thing. Look at that. How nice that looks. There's sour cream on here. We finished up. But yeah, give it a try. It's easy. You got the chicken in like 5 minutes. And then here's 2 people right here. I gotta go finish the others. But nice quick dinner. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching.